Presenting a pre-owned 2018 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC is a great value with less than 44,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, and OnStar.